Hello, students! Welcome to Bridge Academy Introduction to Emerging Technology Undergraduate Crash Course. Unit 1, Introduction to Emerging Technologies. Lesson 3, Evolution of Technology, Industrial Revolution. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define Industrial Revolution. Introduction. The Industrial Revolution was a major turning point in history. It changed how people lived and worked. The revolution began in the 18th century. It introduced new machines, factories, and production methods. This led to faster and cheaper manufacturing. Let us explore the Industrial Revolution. The First Industrial Revolution, 1760 to 1840. The First Industrial Revolution started in Britain. It then spread to Europe and North America. The primary developments included steam power and mechanization. The primary developments of steam power and mechanization during the First Industrial Revolution, 1760 to 1840, were transformative, fundamentally reshaping industry, transportation, and society. The key innovations are: 1. Steam engine. The steam engine, significantly improved by James Watt in 1775, was a cornerstone of the First Industrial Revolution. Watt's enhancements, such as the separate condenser, made the steam engine more efficient and versatile compared to earlier designs like Thomas Newcomen's. This innovation converted heat energy into mechanical work, providing a reliable power source that didn't depend on natural elements like wind or water. 2. Textile industry. Machines like the spinning jenny and power loom dramatically increased the speed and scale of cloth production. For example, the spinning jenny allowed one worker to spin multiple threads simultaneously, boosting output and reducing costs. This made textiles, particularly cotton, more affordable and widely available. 3. Iron production. Mechanized processes, such as the use of coke in smelting, improved the quality and quantity of iron. This supported the construction of stronger machines, railways, bridges, and buildings, forming the backbone of industrial infrastructure. The Second Industrial Revolution, 1870 to 1914. The Second Industrial Revolution shifted focus from steam-powered mechanization to new energy sources and production methods. It was characterized by the widespread use of electricity, the development of mass production techniques, and advancements in communication technologies. These changes enabled greater efficiency, scalability, and connectivity, profoundly shaping modern industry and society. The key innovations are: 1. Electricity. The practical application of electricity transformed industries and households. Innovations like the dynamo for generating electricity and the development of electric motors allowed factories to operate more efficiently than steam-powered systems. 2. Assembly line. Henry Ford's introduction of the assembly line, notably in his Model T car production starting in 1913, revolutionized manufacturing. It broke down production into sequential, repetitive tasks performed by workers or machines. 3. Telecommunications. The telegraph, refined in the 19th century, and the telephone, invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876, transformed communication. These technologies allowed instant long-distance communication, a leap from earlier methods like mail. The Third Industrial Revolution, late 20th century. It is also called the Digital Revolution, occurring primarily from the mid-20th century onward. The Third Industrial Revolution marked the transition from analog and mechanical systems to digital technologies. It was driven by the development of computers, the internet, and automation, which revolutionized data processing, communication, and manufacturing. This era laid the foundation for the interconnected, technology-driven world we live in today. The key innovations are: 1. Computers. The invention and widespread adoption of computers, starting with mainframes in the 1950s and evolving into personal computers by the 1980s, transformed information processing. Innovations like microprocessors, for example, Intel's 4000 in 1971 made computers smaller, cheaper, and more accessible. 2. Internet originating from ARPANET in the 1960s and becoming widely accessible in the 1990s with the World Wide Web, connected computers globally. It enabled instant data sharing and communication across borders. 3. Automation. Factories started using robots for repetitive tasks. The Fourth Industrial Revolution. Present day. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is defined by the fusion of technologies across physical, digital, and biological domains. Unlike previous revolutions, it emphasizes interconnected systems, smart automation, and data-driven decision-making. Technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and biotechnology are driving changes that affect how we work, live, and interact, with profound implications for global systems. The key innovations are: 1. Artificial intelligence (AI). AI enables machines to learn, reason, and make decisions through algorithms and vast datasets. Advances in machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing, for example, models like those powering chatbots or autonomous systems, have accelerated AI's capabilities. 2. Internet of Things (IoT). IoT refers to interconnected devices, sensors, appliances, vehicles that communicate and share data over the Internet. These devices collect and analyze real-time data to optimize performance. 3. Blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized, secure ledger technology that records transactions transparently across a network. It gained prominence with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin but has broader applications. 4. 3D printing. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, creates objects layer by layer from digital designs using materials like plastic, metal, or biomaterials. 5. Biotechnology. Biotechnology involves advancements in genetics, synthetic biology, and medical technologies, such as CRISPR gene editing and personalized medicine. Summary: the Industrial Revolution changed the world. Each phase brought new technologies and challenges, each revolution built on the previous one. The first introduced machines, the second brought mass production. The third digitized industries. The fourth integrates smart technologies. Today, emerging technologies are transforming industries again. The fourth industrial revolution is reshaping society. By learning from history, we can navigate these changes successfully. Review questions and answers. 1. What was a key innovation of the first industrial revolution? Answer: the steam engine, improved by James Watt in 1775, was a key innovation. It powered factories, trains, and ships, enabling faster and more efficient production across industries. 2. How did the textile industry change during the first industrial revolution? Answer: machines like the spinning jenny and power loom revolutionized the textile industry by speeding up cloth production, making it faster and less labor-intensive. 3. What role did electricity play in the second industrial revolution? Answer: electricity powered factories and homes, enabling new machinery and improving working conditions, which boosted productivity and expanded industrial capabilities. 4. What is one major innovation of the third industrial revolution, and how did it affect businesses? Answer: the introduction of computers transformed data processing and business operations, allowing for faster, more efficient management and automation of tasks. 5. What is a defining feature of the fourth industrial revolution, and how is it applied? Answer: artificial intelligence (AI) is a defining feature. It enables machines to learn and make decisions, which is applied in areas like automation, data analysis, and personalized services. Thank you. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.